we're at the beach right now. Erica and Amy are making a sandcastle. And it was just raining 2 hours ago and we got soaking wet. But doesn't matter. The sun is shining now. It's really lovely at the beach. And yeah, we're having a lot of fun. The others are swimming right now, but we don't want to swim. Yeah, it was two and a half hours by train to get here. And then I think we're just going to Rotterdam in a couple of hours. And then we're going to eat there, McDonald's, yay. And yeah, we're just going to have an awesome day. And yeah, I know this is a short video, but you'll just have to deal with it.